around 12 o'clock today, we had a group of motorcyclists in a motorcycle club coming out of Orlando and Tampa, heading up towards Lake City. They were traveling on State Road 93 in the area of the 358 mile marker when some debris apparently had fallen off one of the motorcycles and caused two other motorcyclists traveling behind to take evasive action and lose control of their vehicles on the roadway. The accident caused one injury that was flown up to Shands and still listed in critical condition. That was a younger male, unknown at this time, and also the second rider who went down, unfortunately, was taken to Monroe, where he passed away from his injuries. At this time, there's no indication of anything, any other motor vehicles or any other party to this accident. Simply just some debris upon the roadway.